The topping ceremony, big cricketers and MJR floaters. Pachamada Saudasa. Has won the toss and decision is pending. We will wait for the decision.
Sit there. The area is completely empty there.
Was called from +916339470804.
The top scorers of this league are Nishan 120 runs, Vijit 84 runs, Valin leading wicket takers, Joyshi 8, women's leading scorers. Yes, we are on this match. This is the final match of SEASON-3 2022. The final match is going on between MJR Floaters versus the Weak Cricketers. Both the teams are very strong, have played so many matches. First time, Jagadish. It's a wide away. I request the line umpires to spread each other there. There will be a problem later, so I'm requesting you to stand for the line umpiring there. The umpire is in now. Nishan is with there. Single run taken. The score is on 22 after the completion. 2. Score is on 2 after the completion of 1 ball. I request the line umpires to stand in the off region there. There's no Roshan, I request Roshan. Power hitting the hard, but couldn't connect. Both the teams are having the pressure. This is the final match. We will see who will be the winner and the runner of this MBL Season 3 2022. Both the captains are the new captains of this finalist. Both the new captains, let's see what they will do in this match. Jagadish for the 4th time. Pavi hitting hard there. Leg side region, Visham getting the ball, and the fielders are very quick now. They are responding, accounting to the team situation. Last 2 balls to go. Jagadish, 2 wickets. Limit is on the outside region, hitting steppings. We can see last matches which is playing a very best game. We hope those games in this final match. Jagadish for the last time. Pavi trying to hit there. It was a juicy ball, but couldn't. It's the end of the over. After the completion of first over, the score moves to 4 on the board. Now the new bowler, Prima to budget. Left hand. Slight confusion in the field setup. Joyshi the captain. Now I think he has started the match. The final match he had to play very seriously here, very safer ways to bring this match in a safer position to winning position. The wide delivery now. Once again the wide delivery, consecutive 2 wides, 1 sixer. The score is on 12 now. Vijit is playing a safer game now. When slowly he is the captain of weak cricketers. He had to play very safer and bring the team to a winning position now. In the leg side, running for the ball is there, and it's a one more one has been stolen there. The fielders have to be very quick, otherwise umpire. Yes. The fielders have to be very quick in this match. Once again on the left side, it's a catch. This is not good for weak cricketers. This is not good for weak cricketers. Vijit had to stay in this match and he would have scored some runs here. But it's very difficult now. Last 2 balls to go. Vijit is replaced by Akil now. Vijit had to depart one. He's a captain. He had to be very carefully played in this match. But now we will see what Akil will do in this match now. Prima to Akil. As I said to you in the last match, Akil is an expert in playing reverse shots. I think it will be very easy. Once again the ball is here. A good chance. Joyshi collecting the ball. After the completion of 2 overs, the score moves to 15. I think we cricketers 15. I think we bowling. Dot ball. Once again, Joyshi to Pavel. It's a wide. Joyshi is a Katana bowler now. It's a leg by now. 1 run taken. Last 3 balls to go. The score is on 18 now. I request the umpires, line umpires to stay on the line there. I can't see any umpires on the off region. Akil, bit confused in the batting there. The confusion may be a bit dangerous. Even Pavi is a good batsman. Let's see what Pavi will do this time. He's feeling, less than collects the ball very easily. Pavi was leaving the stands and moving forward to hit a big maximums and all. Last one to go. It's been a great match. Once again, there was a catch. Shoni Shah has missed it. Icym got the ball. Single run taken there. Sylvester is not happy there. He is also spectating this match with big interest after the completion of 3 zigzagged. So, the new bowler, Jagadish, for the fourth over. Once again, the catch, Doisy there. When Doisy is there, no chance of a drop. I think it's not good for weak cricketers now. I think Akil was in a little bit hurry. I can see Chocolate Boy Desmond there warming up for the naked. Chocolate Boy, he is a light cute and his smile is very, very sparkling here. And we have the new batter now, Nina, on the non-strike crease. Jagadish, to Pavi. We saw the Jagadish bowling in the previous match, a good bowling by Jagadish and even a good batter too. Let's see what Pavi will do. Ball on the straight, leg side region, Joyshi collecting the ball. Single run taken. Now, Jagadish to slightly little bit conversation. Slight innings for field now. Jagadish to Nina. Even Nina is a good player in cricket. A chance of a run, but couldn't. Once again, Nina is struggling to connect the ball. I think it will be a bit difficult if the balls are getting dotted, and it will be a pressure for the team. Once again, Jagadish. 3 consecutive dot balls. Last ball. Let's see what last ball will happen now. Nina. No, she couldn't even manage it at the end of the over. After the completion of 4th over, the score moves to 22. Strategy to win this match. They have to think, because this is the final match. Crowd saying Boom Boom Sunil, one of the senior players, Boom Boom Sunil. The fantastic bowling style, you can see. It's a beautiful style. Even a batsman can confuse in his style. Sunil. Sunil for the second time. Completely missed there. Probably couldn't. There's an appeal. Umpire is quiet. Two consecutive dot balls. I think Bobby had to score now, but keeper have to be quick. Even though Sunil's balls have been very high speed deliveries have been seen here, the batsman couldn't connect those balls once again. The left single run taken. Single run taken. The eighth wicket, you can see. Now the chocolate boy batsman is on the crease now. Field. When the chocolate boy batsman is on the crease, everyone will have to be on a shot. He will give many shots here. Last ball, score is on 23. Chocolate Boy Desmond. Let's see what magic he will do, Chocolate Boy Desmond. He's a straight hitter. And even his bowlings are very confusing bowlings. Even the batsman couldn't judge this bowling. Same way. It's over. Once again, it's a wide delivery. Last ball of this over. Desmond is trying to connect for maximums. They need maximums because the run is, he was a good player. In last matches he has been for maximums for the team. Should be very careful in the final match. Now Chocolate, let's see what Chocolate Boy Desmond does. Once again, long on region, we can see Jagadish there. Fighting. No. Only single run taken. Joy is happy with the only single one. Even Joy is a power hitter. His shots are very powerful that it will be a maximum hit. It connects with the bat. He's having a very powerful energy. I said you. This is I said you before. This is correct. This is correct. The bat, it will be out of the stadium itself. He's having a superpower there. He's on fire now. Let's see what's next. Nisha, single and second. I said you that Joy is having a power shot. If the ball connects to the bat, it will be out of the stadium itself. No guesses with that. And team even needs big maximums and all. Bounces and maximums are required in this match. Otherwise, even Teju is trying to hit the maximum. There is a chance of a run out. White ball. And he had, Desmond had to get. Now the lady batter had to come now. Chocolate Boy Desmond had to depart now. Last two balls. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell. 37. Last two to go, Prem Boy. One of the experienced one, it was. Oh no. This is the last over. The players are. Score is on 37. Score is on 37. Darwin is the new batsman now. Last ball to go. Of the first innings, Prem Roy is the bowler for the last over. Last maximum, unbelievable, this is unbelievable. He never had a rush in that. Last ball will be a maximum. The total target is 44. Even previous match also in qualifiers it was 45, now it's 44. 44. The MJ outfielders have to take 44 runs to win this match. What a good play by the cricketers. We cricketers are setting their feet now. We can see they are a bit tired. If these players players are on the greens, it will be quite difficult for weak cricketers to control the runs. Yes. Joyless to Jagadish. The overarm bowling style. Jagadish couldn't connect it. It was a Humpty-Dumpty ball. He had hit 2 sixes continuously last match. Let's see what he will do. He has a good connection. The left hand side also. Join us for the second time. Jagadish. Once again on the leg of the region. It's a boundary. It's a boundary. I said to you, he is having a good connection in the reverse swimming. We can see in last match. Jagadish is one of the costliest player in MPL Season 3. He was printed for once again it's about a gap shot there. He is throwing himself. He is the costliest player of the Premier League. He was printed for 4,000 points and he is showing, and we can see very happy face in frame. Once again, joyless to Jagadish. Once again, trying to reverse sweep, couldn't connect it. Once again, Jagadish. Once again, it's all rocket delivery. The dot ball. Last ball. Last ball from Joyless to Jagadish. Let's see what Jagadish will do. A chance of a run. Single run taken there. After the completion of first over, the score is on 9. Now we can see Desmond to bowl the second over. As scheduled before, chocolate by Desmond having a beautiful bowling style and a strategy. This balls are little bit confusing because if he bowls one delivery as a faster and second delivery it will be a slow one. He is having a good strategy in his bowling. Batsman will be confused in his bowling. I tell you, it's quite difficult to bat his ball because it comes in a bouncy way. Let's see what Jagadish will do now. Slight stroke on the leg side region. We can see Akeem here collecting the ball. Single run taken. Now Joyshi. Brother to brother, Chocolate Boy, Desmond and Joyshi, cousin brothers. Once again, the maximum here. Joyshi didn't even see he's a cousin of his, but he is on his maximum. He is ready to win the last ball. Last ball, Desmond to Joyshi. Once again, it's a maximum here. We can see Desmond. Balls are getting beaten up here. Joyshi is on fire. Still required a 22. End of the over. 24 balls, 22 required. The score is on 22. 2 overs completed. Third over to ball. by Nina to Jagadish. That's the reverse player. We can see his foul shots on the reverse play there. The chance of two, but Doishi is playing a safer game here. I said you Jagadish is an expert in playing reverse games, so it won't be easy for Jagadish to play lefty there. Now Joyshi, even Joyshi is an expert in cutting off the two balls completed. Nina to Jagadish once again. Once again, ball there. We can see ball Tavi there to cut the ball. Single run taken. This is a good strike between Jagadish and Joyshi. They are rotating their strikes. Once again, let's see what Joyshi will do. Even he is playing a little bit strokes there. Nina. This is gone. Jagadish has to depart now. It's a very, very big wicket. He's a dynamic player here. And he has to depart now. Now Jagadish is replaced by Prem Loy. We can what will see what Prem Loy will do now. Score is on 26 now. Last ball to go. Over. After the completion of 3 overs, the score is on 27. 17 runs required in 18 balls. I think it's an easy equation. There's an offer for Prem Roy. If he hits 3 sixes, Nishan and Anish will offer 2,000 rupees. It's a wide delivery now. Prem Roy having a good offer now, 2,000 rupees for 3 sixes. Let's see what Prem Roy will do. With it, to Prem Roy. Choiceless to go. Hello. There's an offer for Joy. If Joy gives a die catch, then Nishan will offer 1,000 rupees. The scoreboard is on 20 now, 30 now. Last 2 to go. Prem is on here and is maximum, and the maximum. Prem Roy has started his last one to go. Hit it to Prem Roy. Once again there was a chance. That's a wide delivery. It is a wide delivery. There was a chance. It was a juicy ball. Once again, Prem Roy completely missed the end of the over. After the completion of fourth over, the score moves to 37 on the board. 37. The target is 44. Only 7 required in 12 balls. It's one-side match, I guess. Let's see what will happen. Anything will happen in this match. We cannot predict anything here. The wide delivery. I think wide won't work here. Dotted deliveries are required to win for free cricketers. Let's see what Joshi will do now. He's one of the experts in reverse shots. So let's see what he will do. Once again, Joshi. Joshi is Humpty Dumpty ball. It's a wide. 39 on the board. Once again, it's a wide. These wides don't work here. These wides will make the MJ floaters for a winning position. 11 balls, 4 required. It's a one-side match now. What's in? Oh no! It's a wide ball. If Joshi finishes in sixer, there's an offer of 500 rupees by Michelle. Once again, Joshi. Joshi is trying there. I think Joshi is trying to finish the match. Once again, Joshi. No, it's a wide. Once again, there is an offer, Joy die catch, then it will be an award of 1,000 from Nishan. Once again, it's an easy stroke there, batsman cuts the ball, single run taken, match has been tied. If the pair hits 1-6, Russia will offer of 500 rupees. Let's see what. And it's a winner. MJ Floaters. MJ Floaters have won the match. We congratulate both teams. We congratulate the cricketers as well as MJ Floaters. Both teams have played very well match. We are on the last position now, about the trophies.
Men's best batter. Nishan. Best bowler Joyson. Youngjar Floaters. Best catch. Any guesses? Ritesh, Falcon Warriors. Captain. Nishan. Man of the series, Jagadish, Youngjar Floaters. Final match as a man of the match, Joyson, Youngjar Floaters. I request runners, captain, cricketers. तुमका विनिंग पोझिशन कशें लागलं तुमका? सॉरी रनर्स.
मात्र आज सरकारने पुरा भरोसा दिला आमच्या टीमला म्हणजे आज मांडवण्याच्या
तुम्ही दक्ष तरी येत असले की याच्यात बऱ्याचशा एखाद्या आयडियाज असतात की
आणि खंयचे पण नेक्स्ट टाइम पी येयल्यानंतर आमी ट्राय केले आमकां टीम खंयचे मेळटा आमी घेतली एसची टीम म्हणल्यार नो प्रॉब्लेम.
I request all the team members to come forward. MPL Season 3.
ट्रॉफी ले डाउन करा.
तुमचे एक्सपिरियन्स सांगेल की
खूप खुशी झाली. त्यामुळे लास्ट 2 सीझन सेम कॅप्टन रनअप विनअप झाल्या सो या पटी दुसऱ्यात ते 2 कॅप्टन सांगितलं मस्त कशी झाली.
पटल्या 3 आयतारा जावन हांगासर आमच्या मंजेश्वर फिरगेजीच्या वाठारांत केळा पंदेटाचे फेस्त जावन आशिल्लें. हांगासर जायतो लोक फिरगेजकार प्रत्येक जावन येवन संतोशान उल्हासान स्पर्धा करच्याक आनी जैत जोडच्याक आनी एकामेकाक संघटपणांत ते साधन करच्याक पेसाट जाली. थंडी जावन पळोवंक भोव आकर्शीत आनी भोव बरें आमकां दिसतालें. आनी आज ह्या आयतारा ते आखेर जाता म्हणून इल्लें बेजारी जाता, कित्याक आयताराचे मीस जावन गेल्या उपरांत हांगासर कोणी दिसनात. पूण हो एक भोव संतोश. देखून हांगासर ह्या 3 आयतारांनी कोण सकडी आयल्यांत ह्या वाठाराक तांणी विजीट दिलां. तांकां समेस्तांक हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी प्रत्येक जावन सकड खेळगड्यांक टीम लिडर्सांक आनी पुरा मेंबर्सांक 3 दीस 3 आयतारा जावन खेळिल्ल्यांक आनी सकड विजेत्यांक आनी रनर्स अप काण गेल्ल्यांक समेस्तांक हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. तशेंच हे मॅच 3 आयतारांनी आयोजीत केलां सकड फिरगेज लोकां खातीर. फिरगेजींत एकवट बांबा जावन पण संगतपण आनी इश्टागात ही बांदून हाडचे खातीर ICYM प्रेसिडेंट स्टालिन डिसोजा तशेंच सर्व सांदेयाका कारण जावन आसा. भोव बरें सुसज्जीत रितीन सकडी अरेंजमेंट तांणी हांगासर केलां आनी भोव शिस्तेन हें जालां. आनी की तांचो वावर सोडोवन दी आनी बरी सेवा आम्हा समेस्तांक भुरग्याचेक आनी आम्हा समेस्तांक लाभोवन दी म्हूण सांगून हांव आशेतां. लांब जियो ICYM मंजेश्वर.
थँक्यू फादर तुमची 2 उतरां उलयल्यांक. आय थँक everyone for this match players हांगासर कोण आयल्यास पिच रिपेर करूंक कितेंय जावन दी सकल बऱ्या रितीन जालें. हांव सर्वांक ते बरें करूं म्हणटा.